Hello, and a very quick video. What I was intending on doing was going to walk you over to the whiteboard and draw a diagram on traffic sources coming into your website with a picture underneath that represents the server for your website, and then from the website a couple of pictures to represent reports that tell you from the sources to the website what is converting into business from your website. And then a kind of an arrow round back to where you should channel your resources for what is working and what isn't working. So plus and minus activity for the various sources, and look at ways maybe that you're not already using. You might be a business that writes letters. This isn't a letter, it's just a scrap piece of paper. But you might be a business that frequently sends out a letter to your clients or to your prospects, and the letter isn't tracked, but it could be tracked. And I've made this suggestion a long time ago, and it sounds absolutely ridiculous, but why wouldn't you be sending out a letter that you could track and monitor to see whether or not it works? Does it work in that people are responding to the letter that you send out? Are they taking action to the content of the letter? And if they're not, it gives you an opportunity to adjust the letter. If you're sending the same letter week in, week out, month after month, and it says the same thing and it's working, you might tweak it and it may work a bit better. But if you're not tracking it, if you're only picking up if you're guessing, there you go, eliminate the guesswork. That's what it's all about. It's all about eliminating the guesswork. Collect the data, look at the reports, and know what is working and what isn't working. This is a very quick video to make that point. Get your Google Analytics installed onto your website and reporting, and you will know for sure what is working and what isn't. It's really that simple. I will make another one of these videos because the green screen is for a reason. It's intentionally left in the video. It's not a mistake. But you have to keep on watching my videos to see the result of the green screen. Okay, that's it for today. That's it for now. If you need any help with Google Analytics, there's no area on this website to put your email in to receive anything that is free. I'm not into the gimmicks. I'm into the telephone calls. If you want to give me a call, if you want to speak to myself, or if you want to speak to Alex, then give us a call and we'll go through some setups where you can get some reporting set up so that you can understand where your traffic is coming from, what sources are working for your website and what's converting and what can work for you. That's it for now.